KTM is all set to officially launch the updated 200 Duke in India. The Austrian marquee has teased the same on its social media handles, hinting at an official announcement soon. For 2023, the KTM 200 Duke will feature a new LED headlight and retain the remaining styling. The sharp tank shrouds followed by the cuts and creases all over the bodywork. And the split seat will be carried over. Even the rider triangle won't be changed, as the handlebar, foot pegs, and seating position that appear to be the same as before. The 200cc, single-cylinder, liquid-cooled motor will continue to power the 200 Duke. Its output is rated at 24.67 bhp power and 19.3 Nm of peak torque. And the engine is linked to a 6-speed gearbox. It comes nestled in the same trellis frame as well. Moreover, the USD front forks and rear monoshock alongside the front and rear disc brake with ABS, that is remain unchanged. The 2023 KTM 200 Duke's feature list will comprise LED illumination and an LCD display that houses all the necessary readouts like the speedometer, odometer, trip meter, tachometer, fuel level indicator, and gear position indicator. As for the pricing, KTM dealerships will likely offer the updated model alongside the older one till stocks last. The asking price for the 2023 KTM 200 Duke is around 1.97 lakh rupees, whereas the 2022 model costs 4,000 rupees less.